Now today we are going to see how we are going to express the concentration of a solution. There are three ways to do so. The first way is mass by mass percentage. Now mass by mass percentage is calculated in the following manner. Mass by mass percentage is equal to mass of solute divided by the mass of the solution. Mass of solute divided by the mass of solution into 100. So this is how we calculate the mass by mass percentage. Second is mass by volume percentage. Now that is calculated in a similar manner. In the numerator we will have mass of solute again, and in the denominator we will have, instead of the mass of the solution, in the denominator we will have volume of solution, and again we shall multiply this thing with 100. So that is how we calculate the mass by volume percentage of the concentration of a solution. The third one is volume by volume percentage, and that is also calculated in a similar manner. The difference is only that in the numerator we will have volume of solute, and in the denominator again we are going to have volume of the solution. Okay, and again we are going to multiply this by 100. So that will give us the volume by volume percentage. So now we'll take a quick look at an example of how this thing is done. So the example is, suppose we have 40 gram of sugar dissolved in 320 gram water, and we want to calculate the mass by mass percentage concentration of the solution, or we can say the concentration of the solution in terms of mass by mass percentage. So how will do that? So we know that the concentration of the solution in terms of mass by mass percentage so mass by mass percentage is calculated in the following manner. In the numerator we have mass of the solute. So mass of the solute means that is mass of the sugar, so that is 40 gram. So 40 gram, and in the denominator we have mass of the solution. So we have in the question mass of the, that is water, that is 320 gram. What will be the mass of the solution? The mass of the solution will be the sum of the mass of solute and the mass of solvent. So mass of solution will be 40 gram plus 320 gram, that is equal to 360 gram. So in the denominator we will have 360 gram. That how did you get that? 40 plus 320 is equal to 360, and this we have to now multiply by 100. So that gives us, if we cancel, we get 9 below. So what do we have? We have 100 divided by 9. 100 divided by 9. That will give us the concentration of this solution in percentage. Okay, so that is your answer. So that was an example of how you can calculate the concentration of a solution using mass by mass percentage. You can use the similar ways to calculate other types of concentration of solutions also. We'll take a quick break and come back in our next video to see about other properties of mixtures. Thank you.